open you up. Nice and low, nice and low. Yeah. It's okay.
There you go, baby. Can we shake your baby out?
It's okay. It's alright, your body knows what to do. Just breathing your baby down and out. That's okay. It's okay. You can put your hand down there. Feel for your baby.
Not yet. Get through this.
Let it go out.
There you go.
Yeah, I know.
Get through there. There you go. Good one.
It's a vet glove.
Oh.
Right along there. Body's gonna get
Yeah.
through, right through.
I'm gonna just try to listen to her.